Dear students of class 12, welcome to our online classes. I am Mahbubi Alam, Senior Lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College.
Now, dear students, we are continuing our chapter 2 and it is our revision part. Our today's topic is computer networking. After completing this class, you will learn number 1, what is computer networking, number 2, objectives of computer networking, number 3, classification of computer networking. Our first term is what is computer network? The process of connecting some nodes or computers to communicate one each other is called computer network. Objectives of computer networking. Number 1, transfer information. It is the first objectives of networking. Here, information are transferred one device to another device by using wire or wireless media. There are mainly two types of media. Number 1 is wire media and number 2 is wireless media. Wire media is known as guided media and wireless media is known as unguided media. Number 2, hardware resource sharing. Different hardware resources such as printer, scanner, OMR, OCR can be shared by networking. Number 3, software resource sharing. Different essential software can be shared by others' computer in a network. Number 4 is store information. By using the advantages of networking, information can be stored in a server computer to make it more secure. Number 5, transfer message. In a network, all can transfer message one device to another device. Number 6, office automation. By using computer networking, office automation is possible and it helps us to reduce the cost of office and increase the speed of work. Now, classification of computer network. Based on owner, network can be classified into two types. Number 1, private network and number 2, public network. Now, what is private network? It is a such type of network which is very secure, where no one can access it from outside. It is very costly. For example, we can say the network of bank is the example of private network. As well as ATM booths are also included in private network. Now, public network. What is public network? It is a such type of network where people can use it from anywhere of the world. It is not so costly. For example, we can say internet is the example of public network. Classification of computer network based on the distance. Based on distance or geographical area, network can be classified into 5 types. Number 1, PAN, number 2, LAN, number 3, MAN, number 4, WAN, number 5, GAN. Number 1, PAN. The full form of PAN is Personal Area Network. This type of network is established within a very short area like 10 meter to 15 meter. It may be in one room or nearer to rooms. For example, you can say USB cable, Bluetooth are the example of personal area network. Number 2, LAN, local area network. This type of network is established within a 15 meter or 1 kilometer. 50 meter to 1 kilometer. Twisted pair cable is used to establish this network and for wireless communication, Wi-Fi is used. Number 3, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. This network is established within 10 km to 30 km or more. Coaxial cable is used to establish this network and for wireless communication, WiMAX is used. It can cover a large city like Dhaka city, Chittagong city, Rajshahi city can be covered by a metropolitan area network. Number 4, 1. Wide area network. This network is established within a large area. It can cover maximum country all over the world. Internet is the proper example of this network. Optical fiber cable is used to establish this network, and for wireless communication, while WiMAX or satellite can be used. Number 5, GAN, Global Area Network. The area of this network is all over the world. It is not completed fully till now. Optical fiber and satellite can be used to establish this network. Now, dear students, I think you can understand what is computer network or networking and the objectives of computer networking and also the classification of computer networking. If you cannot understand any term, then ask to your subject teacher to understand it again. Thanks everybody to observe my lecture.